I'm Prabha Kamath. I have my own business. I run a poultry farm. I know Anil for the past say 22 years. So I know him because we meet quite often for on holidays or at home or for different things. We meet quite often. So I have the time to talk to him as a person, as my friend, my brother. I always found him very, what do you call, you can call him very respectful towards women. He always admired women who want to do something of their own, be it sitting at home, going out, and anything. Mostly he likes women to be teachers. He always thinks that women can be very good teachers. Thereby they can create a better society. So that is one thing which I have known him, and he always wanted women to be doing something for the society. And then it you could always thinking and talking about things like women should be financially independent. Financially independent means it need not be necessarily a job, or it can be anything. You pursue your hobbies, turn it into a commercial venture, or you want to do something like in a home industry. Thereby you collect people, so few of your friends together, you get together and try to do something, thereby earn money, and then you support your if you have money, it means you are supporting your husband, because there are people, it is not that all are, every husband need not be he can support him, the entire family on his own. So you would like women to come on, help their husbands in their own way, in the bringing up their family, children and everything. And again, another thing is, I feel that he believes that money in women's hands, particularly, is always well spent. Because many first things are, she is a homemaker, whatever she may be. She may be pursuing career or whatever, any hobbies or professions or whatever. And then they normally think about their children, their priority. So if women have money in their hands, she'll be spending it more on the child's health, education. Thereby I think indirectly it helps to create a better society. So she is at the back of doing something for a better society, better tomorrow. So he always feels that women should pursue something on their own. And if they need, I think he'll be always helping them. He'll be whatever, now he has been, I've seen him doing it on his personal capacity. This thing, whoever comes to his house, so I want to do this thing. He has always helped them. He's never said no to a woman so far. So even his views at home for women is also quite liberal. It is not that, because in Belgaum particularly it's very difficult to find men who let women do things whatever they want to do. He respects their decisions, judgments. So it's okay, because he thinks women are intelligent basically. So they can, because again they are women. He also sees women they are good at multitasking. So they always have, because they can do things, so many things at a time. So he always felt that women can do things well, and I always thought that this man should get somewhere where he can really want to do. Now he is doing it on his own capacity, in a personal capacity. Then if he gets political office, now he is contesting an election, and maybe if he gets an office, his priority will be in helping women, be it domestic level or whatever level. Now we may in Belgaum is coming out as one thing. It is becoming cosmopolitan. Lot of educational centers are there. Girls, more and more girls go into colleges and different courses, and So it is not only that doctors or engineers. There are so many, what do you call, doors open for women to do lot of things. So I think this person will help them achieve their goal. I am 100% sure of that. So another thing is, he always talked about IT industry coming into Belgaum. He'll get it here. So then again, if there will be more employment created in Belgaum, then again women sitting at home, or domestic people who who are sitting at home, who have some time left in their hands to do something better. So if there maybe if the more and more industries come, more and more IT parks or whatever IT jobs are created, it will create more opportunities for the women. So then they can, because it is not that everyone gets to do a job in the office only. So there are back-end jobs are there, lot of back-end jobs, be it catering or maybe it is cleaning.
Interior designing. I meant that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Then you can, like in interior decorating, or I think, because I am not very well versed on this new ideas of this thing, I think sure people, young generation will come up with lot of new ideas. There are a lot of new ideas around. So he will help them. He will, if they want, any person, any woman comes and says, I want to do this, he'll encourage it. And whatever capacity, whatever way he can, he'll do it. That I am very sure of. Because these are his views. I have shared it not as a public figure. I shared it, these moments with him as a friend, as a sister. So I am very sure, because if he feels, we can talk to him as one-to-one person. It is not in political agenda or this thing. This is as on a personal level. If you can share this, I will definitely, if he gets power, or if he gets that office or whatever it means, he'll definitely do these things. Because I always seen him as a man of words. Means he will definitely, whatever he says, he will do it. And he will not deviate from his goals. So now I want to say one thing to all the young generation who are eligible for voting. Voting is our fundamental right. Don't miss this. Because it comes once in 5 years. Please don't miss it. You become very conscious, because you are educated, you are young generation. Don't say that voting doesn't help. Here is the right man for you. You have an opportunity to vote. I am not saying vote for him only. I generally appeal to you to come out and vote. Choose the best man. You know you are educated a lot. You are not somebody who wants to be told whom to vote for. You choose the right man. And I feel this is the right man. Come out and vote is my sincere request to everybody concerned. Not only you, whoever you can influence. Come out and vote is my appeal. Please, come out and vote.